We're caught in a blizzard. And it snowed like, how many feet of snow?
53.
53 feet of snow. We didn't know what to do.
Mommy, me.
And so we built us an igloo. And it's keeping us safe from the snow.
Moody Pay.
I think we're going to live. You guys think we're going to live?
Yeah. Da da da.
We already killed a abominable snowman and we're cooking him over a fire later.
Toot. Nudie.
Good thing we built this awesome fort to save us from the cold.
Noodles.
Do you have anything to say to people back home?
Well.
What do you have to say, Carson? Shh, Jack. What do you have to say, Cars?
No, but this is actually really big.
Yeah. Jack, what do you have to say to people back home? In case we don't make it back alive.
Hey, my name is Noodles.
He's already losing it due to the crazy blizzard and being stuck in this tiny igloo together. All right. We don't see you again.
We'll never get back to the mushroom kingdom. Booty